Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Birchbox. This is my May box. And on top we have a little card. It says soak in the sunshine. Just talks about yearly checkups and sunscreen. On the back it does have the products listed and some more information about those. So we'll set that aside. And the first thing I'm pulling out is High Performance Hair Care. It says it's sugar texturizing spray. That's kind of cool. I don't know, I've seen sugar texturizing spray, but I have seen this brand and I think they do have some pretty good products, so I'm excited to try that. I also have Heavy Petal One and Done Shadow Stick. That's a nice shimmery color. Probably use that. Next up, we have Comfort Zone Remedy Cream to Oil Ultra Gentle Cleanser. That's good. I don't often get face cleansers. It's been a while, so glad to have that. I'm running low on what I currently use. Then we have B-Tan. It's Love a Daily Moisture That Makes Me Glow. It's a gradual tanner. Haven't heard of this brand, but that's interesting. As you can tell, I'm really pale. So, yeah, I'll definitely use that. Give that a try. And the last product. Ooh, I think I do have this. It's a lip treatment. It's clear, but it's real nice and thick from what I remember. Yeah, it's real thick. It kind of looks like Vaseline. Doesn't really have a scent. So we got that. So those are the products that I got this month. The information card gives you some more details and the full price amounts of each item. If you're not familiar with Birchbox, it's only $10 a month, and you typically get hair, makeup, there's like a little mix of everything, but I've been subscribed for years and I really like it. So that is what came this month. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link below, and I also have a playlist in case you want to see past boxes. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.